2 colors merce cotton thread number 8 or smaller. .1 crochet hook, plier and scissors, 2 earring hook and jump rings, sewing needle with big hole. Let's start with the color one. Step 1. Make a magic ring. Chain 2, then make 6 DC. Total of 6 DC and 2 chains. Chain 4. Make 7 DC on the ring. Chain 4, then another 7 DC. Another chain 4. Then slip stitch on the very first DC. Pull the end thread of the ring to compress the DCs. We have a total of 3 sets of 7 DCs and 4 chains. Chain 1. Step 2. On the first 4 chain, make 15 DC. Then jump on the second 4 chain and make another 15 DC. Then same as the third 4 chain. Then S's on the middle space. Then fasten off. Step 3. Connect the color 2 on the same spot you fasten off. Connect using slip stitch. Make 1 SC on each of the next 6 DC space. On the 7th space, make 1 HDC, 1 DC, and 1 TC. Make a picot stitch. Then on the next space, make 1 TC, 1 DC, and 1 HDC. And 1 SC on each of the last 6 spaces. One SC on the middle space. Then just repeat the process for the next 2 sets of DCs. But instead of picot stitch, just chain 3. Fasten off. Step 4. Let's clean the project. Step 6. Connect the earring hooks. Connect the hook on the spot where the picot stitch is.